Mornings can be chaotic. Between rushing to get ready, packing lunches, and handling a million things at once, finding time to make a healthy breakfast often feels impossible. But what if I told you that you can whip up a quick, delicious, and healthy breakfast with just 5 simple ingredients? Introducing the 5-ingredient fluffy pancake recipe. Perfect for busy mornings. Let's dive in and see how easy it is. These are the 5 ingredients you'll need: flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, and eggs. Let's quickly run through why each one is important. These ingredients are simple, accessible, and likely already in your kitchen. Making them perfect for a quick breakfast solution? Start by combining the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, and baking powder in a bowl. Give them a quick whisk to ensure they're evenly distributed. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the egg and milk. This will give your batter the perfect texture. Now, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir gently. But here's the don't overmix. It's okay if the batter is a little lumpy. Overmixing can lead to dense pancakes, and we're going for fluffy. Your batter should look like this, smooth but with some lumps. This is the sweet spot. Now for the fun part, cooking your pancakes. Heat up your griddle or pan over medium heat. It should be hot enough to sizzle when you drop a small amount of water on it. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Don't overcrowd the pan, give them room to spread and cook evenly. Wait until you see bubbles forming on the surface. This means it's time to flip. Flip your pancake carefully. You're looking for a golden brown color on both sides? This should only take about 2 minutes per side. If your pancakes are sticking, just give the pan a quick light spray of cooking oil or a little more butter. Once your pancakes are golden and fluffy, it's time to get creative with toppings. You can go classic with syrup, or get a little fancier with fresh fruit, nuts, or a dollop of whipped cream. The possibilities are endless. Top with your favorites to make this breakfast your own. And there you have it, fluffy pancakes made with just 5 ingredients in no time at all. So whether you're running late or just want a quick, comforting breakfast, these 5-ingredient fluffy pancakes are the perfect solution. Super simple, super taste. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you like to top your pancakes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!